1, 2, 3, mic test.
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 Good morning, everyone. My name is Iram Beatriz Teoreta, the main actor.
Hello everyone, my name is Angelo Anacandiluan and I'm the field reporter.
My name is Avia Francine Peter Alba and I'm also the field reporter.
My name is Catherine Maria M. Angeles and I'm the interviewee.
I'm Elijah Sirakepo, the eyewitness.
Good morning, everyone. Today we dive into our topic that shaped the lives of entire generation. Social media among the teenagers, from endless scrolling to the virus trends. Social platforms are more than just apps. They're just become digital playgrounds, classrooms, and sometimes battlegrounds. But what impact does this virtual world have on the minds and habits of today's youth? Stay with us and explore the highs, the lows, and the real stories behind the screens.
Thank you, Iram Beatriz. I'm here at La Consolacion College, INC, where teenagers say social media is a daily part of their lives, from TikTok dances to late-night group chats. But while these platforms offer connection and creativity, experts warn of the risks, including cyberbullying, screen addiction, and mental health struggles. I spoke with students, parents, and guidance counselors to get a full picture of how social media is really affecting our kids. Here's what they had to say.
That's right, Angelo Binduan. Social media has become a big part of everyday life for teenagers. For many of them, it's where they express themselves, stay connected with friends, and keep up with trends. But behind the fun posts and filters, they are also real concerns. From pressure to look perfect to spending too much time online. I had the chance to speak with some teens who shared their honest experience, the good, the bad, and everything in between.
Ano ang inyong opinion, Christine?
Social media is fun, but sometimes it gets really overwhelming. You see people with perfect lives, and you start comparing yourself. I try to limit my screen time now, but it's hard because that's where all my friends are.
After noticing the changes in behavior, I started setting limits at home, like no phones during meals or before bedtime. I also tried to talk to them more about what they see online. It's not easy, but I believe being involved makes a big difference. I've seen how social media affects their mood and focus. One day they're happy, then suddenly they're quiet and anxious. All because of something they saw or read online. It's powerful and sometimes harmful too. I think guidance balance are really important.
May tanong ako sa inyo. Ano ang epekto ng social media sa atin?
Ako, mamimili ng sasagot. Sinabi ni Ira.
Ano ang tanong?
Ira, ano daw ang tanong?
Ano ang epekto ng social media sa atin?
Ay, nakaka-addict to. Tsaka, kaya niya sirain yung sleep schedule mo, tapos baka maging unhealthy yung mga mata mo. Doon na shoot.
Muli, ito ang 24 oras hindi natutulog.